Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old farmer named John. He had a beautiful garden that he cared for with all his heart. Every morning he would wake up early and tend to his plants, watering them, removing weeds, and ensuring they received ample sunlight. One day, as John was walking through his garden, he noticed a small, withered sapling struggling to survive. Its leaves were drooping, and it looked sad and weak. John felt a pang of sympathy for the tiny plant and decided to help it grow. He gently dug up the sapling and replanted it in a new spot with rich soil. He watered it every day and protected it from harsh weather. Slowly but surely, the sapling started to grow. Its leaves became greener, and it stood tall and strong. As the years passed, the sapling turned into a magnificent tree. It bore delicious fruits that brought joy to everyone in the village. People would gather under its shade to rest and enjoy the tasty fruits. The tree became a symbol of hope, perseverance, and the rewards of nurturing. One day, a young boy named Timmy came to the village. He was new and had no friends. Feeling lonely, he wandered into John's garden. There, he saw the grand tree and marveled at its beauty. Timmy noticed a sign near the tree that read, "Nurture what needs your care, and you will witness wonders." Inspired by the words, Timmy approached the tree and asked, "How did you become so magnificent?" The tree replied, "I was once a weak sapling, but with love, care, and patience, I grew into what you see today. Just like me, you too can nurture something and watch it bloom." Timmy thought about what the tree said and realized that he could apply the same concept to his own life. He decided to be kind to others, make new friends, and offer help whenever someone needed it. Over time, Timmy's caring nature touched the hearts of many. He became popular among his classmates, and his kindness created a ripple effect throughout the village. People started helping each other more, and the village transformed into a harmonious and loving community. The moral of the story is that when we nurture and care for others, great things can happen. Just like the tree, we all have the power to make a positive difference in the world by showing kindness, compassion, and love.